Hello and welcome to class. Today you will be learning how to code. Let's get started. We are going to play a game that will teach you the basic concepts of programming. Usually, programming is all in text, but we will use Blockly, which is a drag and drop language which uses visual blocks that you drag and drop to write programs. Blockly uses colorful instructions called blocks. Under the hood, we are still creating code. To start off, we are going to build code for a program that will help this angry bird move through a maze to get to the evil pig that stole his eggs. Blockly is split into four main parts. On the left is a bird's maze, also called the play area. This is where your program will run. At the middle, we have the toolbox area. This is where all the blocks are kept. And we also have the workspace area at the right. This is where you drag and drop all your blocks and arrange them for each puzzle. Then we also have the instruction area. This is where all the instructions are displayed for each level. So I have a move forward block on my workspace area. If I want another move forward block, I simply drag and drop it as soon as the yellow arrow shows underneath and then it snaps together. Then I hit the run button and watch my program go. If you ever want to delete a block, just remove it from the stack and drag it to the trash can. You can always hit the reset button to get the bird to start. So let's get those pigs. So for this lesson, programming with Angry Birds, the first thing you have to do is to read the instructions. It says drag all of the blocks together and click run to watch your program go. So what do? You attach your move forward block to when run and you attach the second move forward block and then you hit run to watch your program. Yay! Ta-da! That was great. Now let's move to the next puzzle. So now we need an extra move forward block. So you take that from the toolbox area and then you hit run and watch your program go. Great. This level has lots of errors. So it needs us to fix those errors. The process of removing errors from a program is called debugging. And when there are errors in our program, we say there's a bug in our program. It's always important we arrange our programs in the correct order. This means that our list of steps has to be very correct. Ta-da! That was great. So now let's take a look at some terms we're going to be using in our classes. First is algorithm. What is an algorithm? These are a list of steps taken to complete a task. And it's very important these instructions or commands are put in the correct order so that the computer can read them. And this is called sequencing. Sequencing is putting commands in the correct order so computers can read the commands. Sometimes our programs can contain errors, and these errors are called bugs. So if there's a bug in a program, that means that there's an error in the program or a part of the program is not functioning well. So if your program has errors in it, something has to be done to fix it. Same way when you are sick, you need to visit the hospital to see a doctor to get better. So also our programs can be fixed. This brings us to the last and final term today, which is debugging. Debugging is finding and fixing the errors in our program. So whenever there's an error in your program, you have to simply debug it. This brings us to the end of today's class. Now head over to the Code Studio and complete your puzzles. See you in our next class. Bye.